Yeah, welcome to this video session about a case study on thermal power plant. You generally in our Tamil Nadu we have seven thermal power plants. It will be located surrounded in Chennai based is two power plants in middle center of Chennai and the South Chennai, and three will be located in our Neyveli. It will be considered as an power plant part 1, part 2 and part 3. And the third one is the sixth one is will be located in Mettur power plant, and the final one is will be located in our Tutikan Kodangulam animal power plant. So here I will explain about how will be that the power plant will be working, and what will be the major output of the electricity will be produced in our power plant. So in the Neyveli power plant, there will be 1470 megawatt power plant will be used for using electricity. So here it will be the 50 to 60% of the electricity will be will be generated in our power plants. So here the power plant how to it be working. So the power plant working means it will be need some amount of waters will be need, because of the water will be converted into a steam, and finally it will be converted into the pure electricity with the condenser and evaporator and the way of the chimney we will get it the electricity form. Okay. Here the water will be used in a pure amount of water will be need for the we are producing electricity, because the some amount of moisture content will be presented in the water means the coal and some amount of fuels will be collaborating with each other. It will be make some future damage will be causing for the we are producing in our electricity. So here for example we take it as an water in some amount of moisture condition. We are adding some amount of heat for it will be boiling to the water. At that time the boiling water will be maintained at some amount of moisture content will be stable in the bottom of the part. So here we are using the wet condition, dry condition and superheated condition formulas will be studies in our thermodynamics concept. We are using this concept, pure substance concept, in this steam power plant formation. So the wet condition means it is some amount of water particle will be presented in the atmospheric air. So this mean be indicated as a wet condition. So the dry condition means there is no amount of water particle will be presented in the air. For example, the super condition means it is almost in super position means there is no amount of water will be presented in the air and moisture content. So these are the properties we'll be using for the steam formation in our steam power plant. For example, the water first will be adding heated in the boiler section. So the boiler water will be converted into the condenser part. So the condenser part will be located in some amount of cooling will be coil will be using, and core will be using. For example, the coal are the maximum using in our power plants using in our Tamil Nadu. What are the coals will be using? The coals will be means it is in lignite and ethimate will be they are using. So the maximum amount of will be using in lithiumite will be here it is using, because of there is no amount of silica content, no amount of moisture content will be presented in the power plant. So the power plant will be located is in a high amount of water place position, because of there is we need the high amount of water for using the power plant to using electricity production. So here is the pure substance concept in thermodynamics will be using in a power plant for producing a electricity. So the electricity will be maximized dependent on the country growth and our state growth. So our state government will be followed in a lot of development stages, and lot of development funds will be allocated for a power plant unit. Though will allocated some scientist posts will be using these development of our power plant section. For example, in our Neyveli power plant section there is a section 1, section 2 and section 3 power plant will be having. The most important section is a section 2 section, because of there is a lot of amount of electricity will be generated in there from for our Tamil Nadu electricity government. Already I said it is a 50 to 60% of electricity will be using in thermal power plant condition, and this thermal power plant will be located as in a water part, because of it is in a safe condition, and some amount of will be dangerous zones will be causes from the our steam power plant. So we need that skilled laboratory persons and skilled equipped persons we are nominated to the thermal power plant for producing a steam and coal we using this electricity formation. Thank you.